Made it through the border crossing into Malaysia, so we are now officially in Malaysia. First time for me, first time for her. We are now in Malaysia. Let's go.
So we got to our place in Malacca. It's up there. Settled in briefly, and now our Airbnb host is taking us out to show us around. And there's some street market thing that we should check out.
What's pouring it?
Oh, let's know some of yours.
Coconut shake. Also very famous.
Thank you.
What is it? More sweet? Not sweet?
Oh, those are good.
What else you got in there?
Oh my god, these are so good.
Pork. Oh my.
Oh, thank you. Oh. Oh, thank you, my friend. Take one. Oh, thank you.
Blended watermelon. How much tastier you would be with alcohol.
Have you had this one too? Yes, of course. Thanks so much, DJ, for taking us out on the town right when we arrived in Malacca. Jonker Street was absolutely fantastic and a pleasure to explore. Just got up from our fantastic Airbnb and it is hot today. A beautiful Malaysian.
Every other day.
Just like every other day. This was our fantastic place we just stayed at. But look how cute these houses are over here. Oh my god, so cute. So right now we're gonna go explore the city, and I am gonna take up the drone right now and get a little bit of little shots of the local area right now.
This is the Portuguese fortress, right? From like the 1400s. So back in the day when Malacca was not, there was no Malaysia, Malacca was a big hub. It was very infamous, and a lot of other countries in the world wanted to come here and conquer it. It's time to get a closer look at the fortress.
So right now we are actually heading towards the boats that go down the river. Right over here, there's a river that you see here, and you can actually take boats that go down to the Portuguese settlement, where Portuguese came and actually stayed and settled here. And we just visited the massive fortress up there that actually was part of the Portuguese as well. So we're about to go explore that and check that out with our fantastic Airbnb / host that is showing us this amazing city. Just got our tickets and now we are heading to the boat. Ooh. We just finished our fantastic little cruise of the city, and now we are about to get off and go explore the rest of Malacca. Right now we are in Malacca, and we are at a very local place called up there, and we are showing some of the local cuisine. Our lovely Airbnb host right here is showing us around town, and we were checking out all of the hot spots. And we already went to the night market, and now we are about to try some great local cuisine. Oh! So good. So we got these naan, and they actually come with a dipping sauce right here, which is so good. We have a fish masala, without fish masala. This one was a vegetable,
I don't remember.
vegetable something.
We got an aloo gobi, we got a makhni, we got a vessel something.
But oh my gosh, it's so good. Super good, super good.
You guys are loving it.
Just had an absolute fantastic meal at this great restaurant in Malacca, and now we are heading back to our Airbnb where we're gonna get some good rest, shower, fantastic host, air conditioned room, yes, and get some R&R.
Comfortable bed that's not on the floor.
Next time on Bearwhitness. Made it to the top, oh my god! Down in KL, beautiful sunset, man, shit gets legendary.